What's up, Post fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing a plugin called Vocalign Ultra, which is an amazing plugin. Now for this tutorial, I'm gonna jump right in how to use it in FL Studio. We're not gonna waste any time. And then directly after that, I'm gonna show you all the cool tricks and the things that I've learned about it. So right off the bat, let's open this project. This is my latest song, Down For You, and I'm gonna show you how I made a perfect double for this pre-chorus. This is what it sounds like right now.
Picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking.
All right, so how to use Vocalign Ultra. Vocalign Ultra is going to line up the timing of the vocal and it's going to line up the pitch, which is incredible. So we're gonna wanna have two tracks. I have this one labeled Guide and this one labeled Vocalign. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna send the vocal that you want the other vocal to line up to the guide track. So this vocal right here is already tuned. I already tuned it with new tone and it's timed how I like it. And so it's gonna be the guide track. So I'm gonna route it to number 5, which is guide. Over here, I have all of the extra takes from my recording, and I wanna turn this top one into a double. So I'm gonna route it to number 4, which is the Vocalign one, so that it's going to be aligned and pitched with the other lead vocal. Now, you take the guide track, and then you go down here and right click, and then you're gonna go to sidechain to this track only. So now the guide track is sidechained to the Vocalign track. Now you go to the Vocalign track, you load up Vocalign Ultra, and now you go to this little settings tab here in FL Studio, click to the processing tab, and now you click auto map inputs. And since it's sidechained, it'll automatically click this one here, and then you click the enable tab right here. And now it's set up to work so that we can actually use this plugin and it'll line up to the vocals. So that's how you set it up in FL Studio, super simple. So the most basic way to use this plugin now is that you see I play it here.
It up, it's not what you want, I get it.
What you're hearing is the Vocalign track, which is this unedited, completely raw vocal of mine. And then the guide one is playing the audio from this tuned and timed vocal right here. So when we open up Vocalign, all we have to do is press the capture button like this, and then press play, and it's going to smart align the vocals. So let's play it real quick.
I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking at all about it. I could be taking a hint and moving on.
Okay, now we wait a second. And as you can see, it already did the work. They are now set up to be completely aligned. Now, as you can see, there's a match timing section and a match pitch section. And the thing about Vocalign Ultra is they have the pitch one, the regular Vocalign just has the timing. And the pitch one is incredible because it saves so much time. So basically what we're gonna wanna do is match it up, just kind of not completely, but really close, just 7 milliseconds, I guess. And then match pitch, we'll also do like up to 5.5%. So now when we play this back, route this guide track to the master so you can actually hear it. Now we can hear both of these together raw, and you can hear how close they are.
Picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking at all about.
That's like almost exactly in the same. Just that fast, Vocalign Ultra will just line up your vocal, which is incredible. So that's how you use it. Next, I'm gonna show you tips and tricks that I use that make it even better for me. And that is to route things to a chain and then record it directly from the chain. So let me show you an example of that. So as you can see, Vocalign is the first effect on this chain here. And I have these other effects loaded up right here. And these are like similar plugins to what I have on the lead vocal. If you listen here, this newly timed vocal is gonna run through these effects.
I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking at all.
And it has auto-tune on it, it has compression on it, and EQ so that it's closer to what the lead vocal sounds like already. So now if I have this little setting on post instead of pre, and then I press R and record.
I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking at all about it.
It recorded with all the effects already on it. So now I can line up several vocals if I want and route them to a different channel and affect them differently. And it just saves a bunch of time on processing. And it also saves a lot of processing power on your computer because you're just printing the vocal perfectly lined. So now I'm gonna mute this and I will play these two together. This is the lead vocal and this is the new aligned, affected vocal.
I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love.
So those are very beautifully lined up. And now what I can do is I can send that to a different channel and add some cool effects to it. So I have this channel that I used for the song. It's in 22. And so now this doubled vocal right here, this one,
Picking it up, it's not what you want.
is running through all these cool effects. I have manipulator, I have just some compression stuff, I have this flanger, And then I have this other stereo plugin.
Picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it.
And so now when I play these together,
I'm picking it up, it's not what you want, I get it. Not looking for love, not thinking I.
that's a really cool doubling effect that adds a lot to the song. So yeah, what I really love about Vocalign is it's honestly saving me so much time. What I used to do is I would go into New Tone and I would pitch every single layer that I do in a song, and I would manually time it up on the timeline by just slicing it up and just moving things over slightly to fit with the lead vocal. But now with Vocalign Ultra, as you can see, I just like arm it and then I send it through these effects and then record it. And then it's just super fast. I have this really very professionally lined up vocal that I can add different effects to, and it just saves so much time. Now let me just briefly show you some of the options that you can do when you're lining up a vocal. As you can see, there's like a knob here we can show where you can choose how lined up you want it to be, which is really helpful because if you have it completely lined up, it's gonna just completely blend in with your vocal. But if you have it a little bit more loose timing, it's gonna be slightly different so that you can get that feel of multiple vocals happening at once. And then with pitch, the same thing. Like if you wanna have it a little bit less matched, you can just slide this down and then it'll just create that slight difference. So you have a lot of control over how much you want it to be aligned. And then we have this formant shift. If you wanted to do formants, you know, just like making it more male sounding or more female sounding, higher or lower. These are different visual representations of the vocal lining, which I like this one personally. There's more advanced tab where you can adjust a lot of the other smaller details of how you want it to be aligned if you want to get really, really deep into control. I haven't really done that yet, but it has the ability to just get really specific with how you want it lined up, which is really awesome. And then on top of that, we have all these presets, which make it really easy to just scroll through different settings, and it'll just automatically like change. If I like use this, do one of these presets, it'll change the vocal line thing that I had. And now when I listen to this, even if the track is muted, I'm gonna have all these muted. It'll still play.
Up. It's not what you want, I get it. Not look.
And as you can hear, it has the formant change on it. And then if you want to redo another vocal, you can just hit delete here and then restart and then do a different vocal. Like if I have all these other takes here and I want to try to vocal line this one, I can just do the same routing and then I just record all of these like I showed you, and then I have just a ton of stacks that I can add different effects to and create a really big vocal. So yeah, guys, that's how you use Vocalign in FL Studio. That's my review on it. I'm a huge fan. I actually reached out to them to make this video because I just believe in this product so much. It's a very powerful plugin. Definitely an investment to buy it, but if you are someone who uses a lot of vocal stacks and mixes vocals for demos or whatever you do, it honestly saves a ton of time. So it's really worth the investment. It was for me. So yeah, definitely check out Vocalign. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. You can also have a free trial, which is really nice. You can test it out. That's what I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, wait, if you're not already subscribed, dude, subscribe. It's not that hard. And that's all I got. So I will see you later.